Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Label leftovers fast. Grab pre-cut masking tape or sticky labels and a permanent marker. Write the date and contents clearly, then stick the label on the container's lid or side for easy visibility. This simple trick keeps your fridge organized, mess-free, and helps you know exactly when to eat your food.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.